Hi, today's recipe is wheat sprouts paniyaram. The necessary ingredients are, this is broken wheat, that is 1 cup, then tur dal half cup and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. All put together, soak them for 2 hours. Then squeeze the water and keep it like this. Then this is 1 carrot grated, 1 onion finely chopped. This is boiled sprouts with little bit salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urd dal. This is oil, curry leaves, 3 green chilies, ginger, coconut cut into fine pieces, salt, and this is hing. Now in a blender, add all these and grind to a fine paste. Make sure that you have to squeeze all the water. There should not be any water in that. Curry leaves, green chilies, ginger, salt, hing and coconut. Grind them to a fine paste. Now in a kadai, I have added 1 teaspoon of oil. Then I am adding the mustard and urd dal. First add the mustard seeds, then the urd dal. Urd dal become brown. Let the urd dal become brown. Now add the finely chopped onions and carrots. You don't want to cook them very finely, but just little bit only. Add little amount of salt for these vegetables. As we added salt for the batter also. Let them fry. Now the blended batter will look like this. Not so thick, not so thin. Should be as dosa idli batter. You can add any vegetables you want. Green peas, finely chopped beans, capsicum, whatever vegetables you want. Now add the boiled sprouts and switch off the flame. Now you can add the stuff, this one, the carrot, sprouts to this batter and mix well. You can add finely chopped coriander also. Now in this paniyaram kadai, add little bit oil. Add the batter little by little. We have not added rice at all, only tur dal and broken wheat. It is very healthy breakfast recipe. You can even give to kids for lunch also, lunch or for snack. Now close the lid. Now after 2 minutes, you can turn it upside down. With the same amount of proportion, you can use jaggery 3/4 cup, and you can try the sweet paniyaram also. This is a savory one. 1 cup of broken wheat, half cup of tur dal, 3/4 cup of jaggery. We have to grind them with the coconut and make a fine batter. That is the sweet version. If you want oil at this point, you can add, but I am not preferring. You can close the lid for again 2 minutes. Now this side is also done. You can take it out. It will be very crispy. Don't forget to add methi seeds. Methi seeds 1 teaspoon. Now wheat sprout paniyaram is ready to serve. I have garnished with green chilli and coconut. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.